Hey guys, it looks like we made a little bit of a mistake in this area, but it's a great opportunity to learn a really valuable skill for any CAD program, and that's going back and being able to edit your features. So we're going to use this portion of our menu over here, and we included this draft in one of the extrudes. So I can do this a few ways. The easiest way is to just right-click this, edit, and we want our draft so that it tapers from the hub to the outside so that it gets thinner outside. So the easy way to do that is to just use this opposite direction button. When I click that, you can see it tapers inwards. Again, the goal of the draft is to make sure that it's able to release from a mold. If you have the draft going like this, it's going to stick in the mold. Like this, it's going to release nicely. So we'll hit check, and everything regenerates well, which means that we are saved, right? Sometimes this is a bit risky because sometimes if you have things that are dependent on some of the features out here, like if I set up the relationship between my rim and this part, like mathematically, which is something that you can do, changing that draft angle is also going to change that dimension. So sometimes you have to be careful. I hope that helps.